everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be doing my everyday but simple makeup look. If you guys are interested to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So you guys, I know it has been a while since you guys see me on YouTube. It's been like a couple of weeks. I say like almost 4 weeks that I haven't been on YouTube. That's been because I needed a break from YouTube. I supposed to did Vlogmas. I did Vlogmas 2018. It was a success. I'm so happy that that year was just good. It was a good year for Vlogmas. But last year, I have to say, it wasn't. It was just a lot, to be honest. It was a lot to do. So now that I'm back, I'm so excited to be back, and I'm going to be doing this talk through. Get ready with me. I did this look that I'm about to do for New Year's. It was just something so simple. I didn't feel like doing my makeup that day, and me and my husband wanted to take the kids out, you know, so they could play with their toys. You know, they just got electric scooters by their auntie, which is his sister, and we wanted to take them to the park. And you know, that day I was just like, I don't feel like doing no makeup, but I did something cute and simple, so I thought I should show you guys. So yeah, guys, let's get right on into the video. So like I said, that day I didn't want to do any makeup. I'm looking over here, you guys, because that's where my mirror is. So if I look over here, that's where my mirror is. I would put it over here, but I didn't want it to be in a frame. But yeah, it was just like that day I was like, I don't want to do any makeup. I didn't want to put makeup on my face, but you know, I wanted to look kind of decent. You know, I wanted to take pictures with the kids. So I thought that look came out cute, so I just want to show you guys. So I already put on my foundation and my concealer. I did use this Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors palette. It looks like this. I got this palette in my BossyCharm box. I can't remember what month this was. I think this was in either October or September. I don't think it was November. I can't remember. If I remember, I'll put it down below, but I think it's one of those months. But this palette right here is so freaking cute. And it's just like a everyday, like it's like a neutral palette. Oh, sorry, let me see. Yeah, it's like a neutral palette. And yeah, so I use these 3 colors in here. I don't know what it's called. Let me see. It's called Brassy, Foxy, and Boxy. I believe. So yeah, it's just something. This look is so simple. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna need my blending brush. This one right here. And I'm gonna just dip my brush into these 3 colors right here. The ones that's in the middle, and put it in my crease. Guys, I got so many compliments on this look. It wasn't even funny. Like, everybody's like, oh, I like your makeup. I'm like, thank you, though, thank you. But I'm like, oh, it's so simple though. I don't know what that is on my face. I don't know what that is. If you guys see that, I don't know what that is. Oh, my hair is a mess. I need to get my hair done so bad. But anyways, so I'm gonna just put those 3 colors in my crease. I already primed my eyes with my concealer. I used the e.l.f. concealer to prime my eyes. And like I said, I just want to put this in the crease. You guys, this look is so simple, it's not funny. I think this is all I did, to be honest. And I put a highlighter in my inner corner, my tear duct. So I'm gonna do the other eye. Guys, this is like my new setup. I have like a bigger desk right here, so if I'm like doing like this or anything, I'm sorry. And it's like, let me see if I can put it. No, I can't. Okay. I don't know. I was trying to see if I could put this mirror in front so I won't have to really turn, but it's okay. We'll work with what we have. Yeah, you guys, so I know I've been away for a while. I just needed a break, to be honest, just to be around my kids and family. You know, just a break from YouTube. But you know, if you need a break now and then, take a break. You know, don't kill yourself. Because when I did Vlogmas 2018, you guys, so much anxiety, so much pressure to put up a video. Like almost like I was just like, it was just so much that it wasn't even funny. Because I can't, like, I just stressed myself out. I hope it's not blurry. And I was like, I'm not gonna do myself to. I told myself I wasn't gonna do that this year. I was like, I'm not gonna do that to myself anymore. Like, that's just ridiculous. I hope it's not blurry. I really can't see it. That's why I keep looking in the camera. I'm sorry. If it's blurry, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I was like, I'm not gonna, you know, stress myself out. I know you guys will understand. Like my true supporters, you'll understand why. Like my explanation, because I just was over it, to be honest. So after I did that, like I blended it out, I'm going to be using my Tarts. This is Rainforest of the Sea. I got this 2018. I keep saying last year. It's 2020. Happy New Year's, everybody. Woo! 2020. I'm so excited. This is the year. But sorry. I was like, girl, you was all over the place. I know. But I got this Rainforest of the Sea palette. I think 2018. I can't remember what month, with Bossy Charm. I love Bossy Charm, you guys. I love them. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using Treasure and Escape in this palette. This palette is so pretty. This was a limited edition. I wish they had more, because my sister-in-law wanted this as a gift, and I was trying to purchase this, but it was out of stock. So I mean, it wasn't out of stock. It was saying it was only a limited edition. So I was like, I'm so sorry. Can't give you mine though. I love mine too much. So I'm just gonna take a flat. Let me see. A crease brush right here, like a flat brush. And I'm gonna put this in my tear duct. I'll mix those two colors. I don't know how does this look like to put my elbows right here, but you guys can see that. And then I'm gonna like blend it outward like this. Do the same for the other eye. So yeah, I'm so happy to be back, you guys. I'm gonna do 2 videos a week on my channel. So this is or more, it depends, but I'm not gonna try to overwhelm myself. So, you know, 2 videos a week. And yeah. So now I'm gonna go back into this Sienna's the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors palette, and those 3 colors that I put in my crease I am going to put on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Sensational Luscious Lash mascara. I know I look so stupid when I do that. Like, I can't help but to do it. Look, I'm tearing already. It's just ridiculous, like how much I tear. So that is that. So after I put on my mascara, I'm gonna just let that dry and put on some blush, because I forgot to put on some blush. I'm using the Ciate London Marble Highlight in Dusk. And when you open it, it's like that, which is so pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. You guys see that? Like, that's pretty. This is my first time using this, so. It's so pretty. Now after I've done that, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. I'm going to be using the same colors that I put in my tear duct. I don't want it to be too harsh. Just want it to highlight it a little bit. Now I'm going to be using the Becca highlight, and it's called Shimmery Skin, I believe. It looks like this. You open it, it's like this. Just so pretty. I'm going to use this one. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, sis. Okay. This is plenty. I have to put like the highlight. I want to see it, so that's what I'm like. Really pretty. Put some on my nose and the bridge. Just the bridge right here. Just a little bit. Just a little highlight. Not a lot. Because, you know, you want this look to be natural. And my hair is a mess. Jesus, I'm sorry. It's just so annoying. Ooh, I need to go get my hair washed and pressed like that. But, yeah. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to be lining my lips with this Biography Timber Lip Pencil. It looks like this. This is the color. Let me swatch it on my hand. So it's like a brown color. And I'm just going to be lining my lips. Okay guys, so after I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to be using this Victoria's Secret lip gloss. It's just like a nude color. I don't know what it's called. I got this a long time ago. I think I have to say 2018 now instead of last year, so. And that is all, you guys. I would put on lashes, but I don't have any right now. But if I did, I would put on some lashes to like complement the look. It just makes everything look more, you know, popping. But I don't have any lashes right now, so I'm not going to be doing that. And yeah, you guys, this is just something so simple, something you can wear every day. Like, this is like the most simplest look I think I ever done on my channel, and I really do like it. It's something, and it's really quick too. It's like 1, 2, 3. You just need like a simple crease color, a little bit. You can even use the what I put on my inner duct, like right here, a highlighter for that. It's just something so simple, something so cute, and like a nude lip. So pretty, and it's something so simple. I really like it. I have gotten so many compliments, but I did have on lashes. It's just that I ran out. I thought I had more lashes, but honey, I have no more. I have to get in contact with my niece to give me some more lashes, because I have no more. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, you guys, I am back for 2020. I am so excited. Yes, this is a new year. Hopefully I get better at uploading my videos. Like, you know, this is something serious for me. I love YouTube. I love doing YouTube. So I will be uploading more. Please don't, like, you know, don't say, you know, don't give up on me yet. I am not done with YouTube. I love it too much to give up. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and if you want to. No pressure. And leave me a comment down below. Tell me how your New Year's and Christmas went. I do have a Christmas vlog I would like to get up for you guys. So if you guys would like to see it, just comment down below. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.